trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up, holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in, smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato, give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone, holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato, give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome, guys. Great to see you guys again.
Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino rice, don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move.
What is up, everybody? Curry in the house. Kid Poker. Why do you need a brain transplant? You'll be alright, bro. You'll be alright. You don't need one, trust me. The market's like that, you know. The market's been pretty wild. It's I think today's a classic example of a first initial big pump early in the day, and then for the rest of the day it's kind of, well, nothing burger. But even then we kind of moved about 80 points up and down right from the midday through the end of the day. By the way, guys, anybody having issues with I don't know, I don't think any of our dashboards are kind of updated. Not just one firm, but I think a lot of firms right now. Pretty wild. Funded next, I cannot request a payout because it's still not updating the days to count. The days count, not updating on the funded next on the Apex. And what else? I think that's it. Kind of weird. How y'all doing, guys? How did everybody do this morning? How was your morning, everybody? Did you guys survive this this volatile day? Well, I wouldn't say it's a volatile day today. I mean, much of the games were actually done overnight. So, Justin, right? What's up, man? What's up? Who liked the afternoon price action? Not me, for sure. You want macaroni? There you go. Well, you need to get paid out first before you try to do that. Save money. Chop City, that's right. You get paid out, then 2 days later do something. Oh, well, but at least you got a payout though. Jillian, what's up? Paul Anthony, man, long time no see. Haven't seen you in a while. Well, let us go, everyone. Paven, what's up? What's up going on? What's up going on? All right, guys, just give me 1 minute. I just got in. Gonna have to get stuff changed here right now. I am here to make you some money. Mad money. StockTiger Kramer. The market was tough, eh? That's right. All right, so I am ready now. Just 1 second. All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. How's it going, y'all? Y'all. Too much volatility. Paven. Wow, look at the SpaceX, right? 197 right now. So 197, guys. How about let's make it $380 SpaceX. I don't even know, guys. I really kind of missed out the whole entire move to the upside. It's embarrassing. Like swing trading, I literally missed out on a lot of stuff that I should have caught 2 days ago when the market ended up pulling back. But I mean, I think it's I don't think I was asking for too much to give us that little more push down in the market. The market really, like, it's the same thing over and over again. One step late, right? It's always been like that. Always. Really annoying, but I guess that's just the way it is. You know, kind of waiting for some little more pullback. That's what you get, right? Sometimes. I hope this isn't going to be the last event where we're never going to get any sort of a pullback in the market. I hope that's really not the case. I hope, well, I wouldn't say I hope, but I'm kind of thinking FOMC could bring some volatility, right? It just really kind of feels like we've well, I wouldn't say this is the top, but I mean, we've all the good news, right? All the excitements are kind of baked into this market right now, and I'm kind of going, okay, well, what else do we have in the table that could kind of give us that another leg, the measured leg to the upside? I'm almost kind of thinking FOMC could maybe bring it down. So yeah, I'm gonna have to give FOMC a little call, a phone call, have a little conversation, and talk about whether we've got to take this market down to. Hey Lynn, what's up? Paven, Meg loves in. Curry, all right. Rate cuts is the only thing left for this market to go higher. So, Kill 89, कैसे भाई यार? तो तुम किधर है? किधर जाओ? Okay. Rate cuts, yeah, I mean, am I expecting rate cuts? Maybe. I don't know. Rate cuts. Do we expect to see a rate cuts? I mean, a lot of people are saying we expect rate hikes, but I'm not in that camp just yet. I'm not in that camp where we get rate hikes into the latter half of this year. I'm not in that camp, but But at the same time, I'm not thinking we're gonna get rate cuts unless we have a pretty significant, you know, issues with the economy where the Fed has to come in to do a bailout, you know. So, which obviously it's the probability of that happening is kind of very low. So, no rate cuts, market don't like. Well, the market, I don't know. Well, the market's already, I kind of feel like it's maybe partially baked in rate hikes as well towards the end of the year. So unexpected will probably happen to you. Yeah, I mean, they have to raise rates to fight the inflation. I mean, the inflation story is there, but we haven't. I mean, just really take a look at the CPI and PPI report that came out last. I think it was a week and a half ago. The inflation was just fine. I mean, it's still it was kind of sticky, but it's primarily because of the energy, right? So once we have the crude oil kind of pulled back, I think things will start to cool off from an inflation standpoint, and I think the market's gonna you know, continue doing what it's supposed to do. Oh, you've seen the data? Well, I guess the market does not really care at the moment, guys. So we are back here, guys. We got 2 more minutes for Globex. I wonder what Globex is gonna bring to the table with the way the market was kind of moving here today. Just almost kind of feel like we may not get anything here today. Maybe we'll get lucky if we get 10 points move, maybe. So I'm not really expecting a lot from Globex here today. We'll try to see if we can actually, you know, get some trades going in front of the small little tiny range. But look at this market, guys. I mean, it's absolutely mind-boggling to see this market do such a thing like that, right? And it was just merely a few days ago. It's just a few days ago. That was all we had. Incredible, guys. I don't even have the word to describe. Well, I had a friend of mine. He's pretty newbie, right? He's pretty newbie to but he's a swing trader, by the way. He's a swing trader. He's a newbie, in my opinion. He's only been trading for about a year and a half or two on a swing trading standpoint on a personal account. But 2 days ago, he went in hard. He went in very hard. And yeah, in 2 days, he's up 30K. And he hasn't done anything. All he did was just load in a whole bunch of stocks. SOXL at about 160 bucks. I think that's when it's bought. It was a few days ago. Literally a few days ago, guys. XOXL, a few days ago, he bought TQQQ. And that was just 2 days ago. And everything else was kind of nothing burger. But I mean, these two literally just pushed his account to over 30K in profits. And he's now teaching me how to trade. I have a little problem. Oh my god. I'm in trouble, guys. I'm in trouble. Guess what I did? I bought 5 shares of SOXL. And I bought 2 shares of TQQQ to test the water. Incredible mochaccino. I just kind of feel like I'm a loser. Anyways, guys, back into the futures trading here on the PROPFIRM space. Let's go, everybody. I hope you all have a great fun. Here coming into the Globex, guys. We're tapping into the major level We try to get above that. I mean, obviously, at the end of the day, guys, we pierced through this 30,900 area. I think we are to the moon. We go straight to the moon, not looking back, straight to the moon. So, do I expect to see a bounce right now in the market? Maybe not. Just give me. Yeah, something's broke unless it. What is broken unless it? Daddy123, what's up, brother? And by the way, to all my YouTube members, thank you so much for your support to the channel. Thank you guys, man. Really appreciate it, brother. I really appreciate it. Hey, Lynn, everybody, Paul Anthony, right? Kazumex, Daddy. There's a whole bunch of Andrew and everybody else. Thank you so much to all of you. And to everybody else as well for being here today. A beautiful day, guys. Beautiful afternoon. Monday afternoon. Let's go, guys. Let's try to stay this market right now. Andre, what's up? All right, so we're kind of tapping into this major level, right? Do I expect to see a market bounce? I mean, it is going to be tough to try to break above this. But I know if you just really think about it, guys, stuff that New York cannot do sometimes, you know, Globex came in strong, right, and broke this initial high. So expect the unexpected here. Okay, right, so you got a major level here, right? The 900 area, that's a big level. And then once you break above that, then obviously we're gonna have to take a look at 31,090. That's the all-time high, right? That's the all-time high, guys. All-time high. Let's go. Is it? I think it's all-time high. I think. Or am I wrong? I think it's all-time high, right, guys? Yeah, that's right. It's all-time high. Crazy. We are back. Incredible. Too much for you. What's up, brother? Thank you so much for your kind words. Well, let's go, Brave Day. So what am I doing? I haven't done anything just yet. Yeah, I haven't done anything just yet. All right. It looks like we're trying to break out of this, guys. This could be the moment. We get this nice little break to the upside here. 863. I'd like to see this thing get above. PRS2 that. Do you think we're gonna be able to do that right now? Oh, man, I'm not in that camp. I just kind of feel like, you know, we may try to pull back here down into the 800 area before we start to get a bounce. So I'm gonna really try to short this. It's risky to even try to short this market, guys, on this on the overall market being relatively strong, right? So that's another tricky part. But well, we're already getting a pullback here, guys. We hit that little ceiling there, the pivot at 866, and we are pulling back here right now. Oh, Moogie, wow, thank you for being a member, brother. Thank you so much. Mucho gracias, amigo. Be careful. Shorting is counter trend. Shorting is counter trend from a bigger time frame, yes, but on a shorter time frame, I don't know. Like, I've got a little bit of a question mark on that. Do you agree? I mean, just want to draw a little. There's a lot of stuff going on this chart, by the way. Lost your support tag. Mugiwa, thank you, brother, for being here. Jace, what's up? Edge, what's going on, man? What's going on? What's up, guys, man? How was your day, everybody? Man, I hope you guys all did well. Are you asking me how I did today? I lost on a couple accounts, but the couple accounts luckily were all Evals. So I kind of got a little lucky that with the funded accounts I was okay. I was looking for some really hero trades, but the market just really would not give it to me, right? I mean, you really think about it, guys. I was looking for some kind of a pullback right at the start, and the market would just keep ripping to the upside, and I really did not have a chance to get into a trade, right? And I just kept waiting, you know, like I was on and off on my phone for 30 hours, going back and forth, and I kept looking at the chart on my phone, and the market was just keep hitting higher intraday, right? Intraday high constantly with no pullback. And then by the time I tried to get into a trade, the market was just chopping and it's just not going anywhere. I'm like, come on, market, you can't be doing that to me. You cannot be doing that to StockTiger. You know, that's just not allowed. However, the market decided to do just that. And so it was a kind of a very, very, what do you call this? Weird kind of a day for me. I lost some Evals when the market was squeezing to the upside because I was trying to short the market again. Wow, not a surprise. StockTiger trying to short the market as always. Yeah, that's what happened, guys. And then I tried to step into my a trade with my funded account. I did not really get a chance. There was absolutely nothing there to even trade. So I'm sitting here right now, Globex, guys, looking to see if I can trade some accounts. I want to know if I can actually get into some good trades. Whether I think this market's going to go right now. So far, it's kind of chopping. Again, we got to break out of this 880. We got to pierce through that and just kind of keep pushing into the 900. And that's going to hold. So far, it doesn't look like we are trying to hold. Let's see if we end up getting a pullback into the 800 maybe first before we start to get a bounce. Overall, like everybody else is saying, the structure is to the upside, right? So we haven't really broken the structure. Honestly, there's no even need for confirmation, but I mean, things are looking better to the long side overall from a larger time frame. But can we not expect to see some kind of a pullback, right? What do I expect? Well, 754. I mean, I would say the worst case 754. Is it gonna be an all-day kind of a pullback? Well, do we keep pushing? I'm gonna be a little patient, guys, because I want to know a direction. I want to find out what the direction is gonna be. The last part of the day was Chop Fest. I know, Jillian, brother. Benjamin Butler, what's up? No volume. You're going to bed. Oh, let's go. Going to bed. I like that idea. Bank of Japan tonight. Okay, well, it sounds like that's going to move the needle. Load of Wall Street, what's up? Andre, what's up? Hard to tell now. Search and so. That's right. We're going to have to kind of be a little patient here. Wait for this market to give us some sort of a direction to move. Did 45 in the house. What's going on, brother? Mugi Warrap had some good trades and got FFF velocity payouts. Let's go. Yes. So is FFF the velocity accounts kind of worth it? Mugiwara, can you let me know? We are so beyond due for a pullback. You're thinking to short Tiger, Andre. I'm not. I'm thinking to look long on a pullback. That's what I'm trying to do. Looks long at the moment, bouncing off the fair value GEPA. Let's go. Kuyodongo, what's up, brother? Kazumax, what's up? If you like trading intraday accounts, I'm okay with intraday accounts. Depends on what sort of a drawdown we have in those accounts, but it's cheap. What, $15? Oh, let's go. No red trades today. Oh, yo, what's up, man? Sologram, good job, brother. No red trades. I like that idea. Well, it's not an idea. Good stuff, good stuff. I don't you understand, Kazumax, what's up? I don't you understand, what does that mean? Me don't you understand. I don't you understand. He don't she understand. Traders see what's bullish. this month payouts. Oh, 1470. Let's go. Blocks Nation, man. Good job, brother. You lost some. Kyodog, man. I lost some too. I lost some evals. Luckily, I lost evals only. No funded account. You know, it just kind of feels like, you know, when you lose an eval account, it's just really way better than losing funded accounts, man. I mean, to go through the same process over and over again to get to funded stage, man, that's very energy draining, guys. So try to be a little careful when you're trading funded accounts. Obviously I've learned my lesson, and I'm trying my level best to really try to refrain trading either on a very volatile, say, the time of that day, or you know, when I really don't have any confluence where this market's gonna go. I try to step away from the funded account because, man, like, imagine you're gonna have to trade. You gotta buy the eval number one, and then you're gonna have to go through that process of passing. That's gonna take another 3 days on an average, give or take. And then you pass, and you're gonna have to get to the funded stage, and then from funded stage you gotta get to the buffer. Holy smokers, and no jokers, guys. That's pretty scary, right? Pretty scary. And on top of that, this market is very volatile. So imagine you have to go through this cycle. Man, it's just too much right now. At this time, it's acting too much. Anyways. JC Trades, what's up, guys? We're getting a little pullback here, guys. It's the end of the world. Guys, we're getting a little pullback here. 811. 911 or 811. All right, 805 right now, guys. Pulling back here into the 805. We'll see if we can actually flush it down to 20,000 NQ. Yeah, it takes more than most people think to get the payout. Yeah, absolutely, I agree, Jillian. You know, I mean, if you guys are struggling getting a payouts, I mean, it's you know, it takes time, right? It takes time. I know we share payouts on our payout tab, but it takes time, guys. It's a constant grind. Constant grind. All right, guys, man, we're getting a pullback here. What is this market trying to do, guys? Good, I didn't try to long this bad boy, but I am actually thinking about doing that here momentarily. Is it going to be an all-day kind of a pullback here? Maybe, maybe not. Or is this going to be a start of a much bigger pullback, guys? Finally, the market is coming back to earth. Is that what it is? Kind of got everybody excited here this morning. And then now the market's like, okay, get ready, buckle up. No more SpaceX is gonna save you. No more the nuclear deal is gonna save you. No more DT is gonna try to save you. The only thing that matters right now is the Fed chair. The Fed chair, FOMC, is gonna scare everybody right now. Trader, what's up, man? Blown funded account, thinking I was trading. Oh man, guys, Trader 007, man. Tell me about it, bro, man. I did it all the time. I did that a few days ago as well. Incredible. I'm probably the #1 trader, like trading funded accounts, thinking it's eval. Like, I'm probably the #1 right now. Crazy. All right, so here we go, guys. What do I expect this market to do here? Let's try to short this, guys. Right, I'm gonna try to short this market, everybody. I've been burned too much. Jillian, what's up, man? Hey, bro. You've been burned too much? Man, I hear you, man. I hear you, guys. Guys, man, I mean, I know a lot of you guys are struggling. It's this journey has not been easy, especially at this time of the year. It's frustrating. It also is a very frustrating me as well, because this market has been not just volatile, but it's been doing a lot of funky stuff, a lot of surprises. So it's been very difficult for me as well. I kind of feel like I've missed out on a lot of opportunities, and on top of that, making a lot of mistakes. Like somebody mentioned, trading funded account when he thought it was an eval account. That is me. I've done that so many times. I'm getting into NQ when I'm supposed to get into MNQ as well. This market has been just really driving everybody nuts. And yeah, you are not alone. And I tell you that again. You are not alone. I'm here to stay. But still active, nobody moves. Well, let's go. Yeah, I was trading gold yesterday. But you know what? I don't like it. It's okay to do like gold once in a while, once in a blue moon. I do that sometimes now, but very rare, very, very rare, which is cool. I'm okay with that. But I mean, making gold trades like a very regular, I think that's a problem. I mean, not for everybody, but for me. For me, StockTiger is a little problem for me. So what is my goal for this month? I mean, guys, I'm just gonna really try to stay a little patient, stay a little more consistent if I can, right? Try to blow less accounts, and just keep grinding. That's really all I can do, right? Stuff that I don't do anyways, like copy trading. I don't do that, right? You guys know that I don't copy trade any of my accounts. Yeah, just keep grinding. Look for tradable setups. It's yeah, this market. I mean, the reason why it's tough is like one day you may get all day long bounce, keep squeeze all throughout the day. Some days you're gonna get a big chop, sort of a intraday, but in that big chop, it's 1,000 points up and down. So there's really no way for you to survive that trade, because you're kind of thinking you're trying to long on a pullbacks, right? Because the overall market, the structure is to the long side, and then you try to long on a pullback, and that pullback gets 1,000 points. So there's no way you're gonna survive in that trade. So that's where things become very challenging, right? And you kind of get really confused. Feels like yesterday the market has been a little choppy here, guys, but we ended up getting a pullback here right from the 869. That's the high, the Globex high, 869. We're down into 788, guys. That's, you know what, that's almost 1,000 points that we're getting a pullback here, guys. I mean, that's not small, right? It's almost, oh sorry, not 1,000 points, that's almost 100 points pullback. So that's crazy. Really think about it, guys. During the Globex Asia, that's a lot, right? So what I'm going to try to do right now is I'm going to try to short, right, looking for this little bit of a bear flag kind of forming, right? And I hope it doesn't do that right now, though. I hope it doesn't pull back here right now. why do you not copy trade? It's just, you know, I don't know. I've been not copy trading for about a year and a half now, so I've done like it's proven to be a lot better when you're not copy trade for me, right? I have performed better. I've got into a lot of payouts, way more when, you know, I kind of stopped copy trading versus copy trading. So we'll continue to stick to that. All right, so looks like we are breaking down right now. So what is the next level we're going to be watching here? So let me just kind of try to zoom in on this larger time frame. So the next level is going to be down into the 700 area. So that's about 70 points away. Right, I'm looking for that little pullback into 700. What is this? Wow, guys, look at that. Looks like all day kind of a pullback here. Is that what this market's going to try to do here? I kind of missed out on that, guys. I'm still trying to get in. I didn't get a chance to get in there, so well, now if I try to get in now, obviously, guess what this market's going to try to do?
Order filled.
It gets a bounce, of course, right? As always, guys, watch. I'm trying to scale into this short trade. And guess what this market's gonna try to do? Give us that little bounce. Well, I mean, SpaceX is another one. Crazy, guys. Crazy. Nothing's pulling back, guys. I mean, it's just really incredible. We had a broader kind of a bounce in the market right today, right? It wasn't just merely a tech stock that actually ended up getting a bounce. Everything else, the same thing. I don't know. It's crazy. That's right, crazy. Wow, man, look at this pullback, guys. I'm not even getting a chance to kind of get into this trade.
Order filled.
Well, I've got into 3 now, but I mean, it's
order canceled.
I just literally missed out the whole freaking move. Well, and then
order canceled.
I don't know.
Order submitted. Order
I still think we get a little more push down. This is a bit of a bear flag here kind of forming. Maybe a pull back into the 700 would be ideal. Maybe we try to get a little bounce before we try to get a pullback. Further pullback here, continuation. Let's see if we get a little more extended move here to the downside, guys, before we start to get a bounce. SpaceX was, yeah, that was one heck was yeah, SpaceX. Well, I think it's $200 right now. The last time I checked this morning, I guess towards the end of the day, the SpaceX was at not 197. It's probably at $200 right now, I guess. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, I mean, SpaceX, $200, nearly $200. I mean, everything else, Palantir, AMD was at $520 to start, It's probably
Order.
sitting at
Order
about
filled.
$600 by now. Pretty wild. Okay, so we're getting a little bounce share attempt. I'm looking for, oh man, yeah, so I'm on a smaller size, so I
Order
think
submit-
I may be
order
okay to kind of
submitted.
try to hold and kind of scale into this trade to the downside. So maybe we try to get a little bounce. The bounce doesn't hold, we end up pulling back, right? And where's that next level? We're looking at 700 area. See how this thing kind of plays out, guys. If you guys are trading here, guys, man, good luck and trade safe. The market still, just because it's Globex does not mean that we don't get a volatility. We've already got over 130 points pullback here after getting 100 points bounce. So the market is definitely volatile, even during this time of the day. So micro is the way to go for me, especially if you're trading on a smaller size, small accounts. So I'm trading the smaller accounts. Obviously, I'm trading the 50K right now. So. Oh, make up your mind, market. I mean, good luck. She's break. Billy the Kid, what's up, man? Jace Edge, you wanted to flush down, guys, man. Don't be well. Yeah. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Let's go. Give me the last of the pullback here. Let's go. Come on. Bring it down for us. For the fame. My big mistake was trying to trade on the phone while installing a pool last night. Blew 2 accounts doing that. Oh, D-Tank. I'm assuming you lost your eval account, which is fine. I mean, if it's a funded account, then that's a little, it kind of hurts, but I know you're going to make a nice little comeback here, so I'm not too overly concerned. Soup, what is going on, brother? K Doga, we are finally breaking the range. That's right. You were short at 30,900 area. Holy macchino, look at that, hey? 30,900 area, really? Man, you are one heck of a trader. JC Trades, not me. It was somebody else. By the way. Are we going to get a dump here, guys? I mean, is that what we are going to try to do? I'd love to see this one little beautiful flush down. Give us this nice little red fat bar. That's going to take us all the way down to 740, right? It's going to be beautiful, guys. Right? I mean, can we not try to do that? I'm kind of imagining myself, let's say if I was trying to long this market and I'm long right now, then what would it be? Right? What I'm going to be too concerned. What am I going to be concerned about right now if it's me? Oh my God, you kidding me? Really? Man, that was a little wick. I hope this isn't going to be a wick that's going to give us that little bounce, a quickie bounce. That's going to be a problem. I'm not going to like that. I'm not going to like that if you get a bounce right now. Wow, I think this market's kind of waiting for some sort of a... Well, not a catalyst, but I think this market's trying to move. Oh, my dear. Look at that, guys. It's trying to move. Something's trying to move this market right now, guys. Be careful if you're trading. Tell you that much. Be careful, guys, if you're trading.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Wow, what a bounce. What a bounce. Well. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I guess I'm in a little trouble. StockTiger loves getting in trouble here right now. I guess I'm just gonna stay a little patient, see what happens, but gotta be careful. All because StockTiger shorts the market and the NQ gets bounced. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we already had that conversation. I long, NQ short. When NQ get a bet, well, when I short, NQ bounce. That's what it is, guys. That's the rule of thumb. What do I just I guess just gonna have to kind of stay a little patient, guys, here, right here at this level. Well, there's no point in getting panicked. I'll panic. Just stay a little patient and just let this market do its thing. We may get a little ups and downs along the way. Let's see what sort of a on a 30-minute chart looks actually a little more bullish though. But again, anything's possible right now. We're in no man's land at the moment, so let's see what this market tries to do. As you play the opposite to get rich, I know, Silva, man. Imagine every day, all right, StockTiger is gonna go long. All right, I'm gonna try to short the market. Opposite direction all day long. Someone's gonna be a winner for sure. What is your probability? If you guys truly believe like StockTiger's probability of getting into winning trade is only about 30%, and if you just keep fading me, that you have literally 70% of the time you will be in green. Can you imagine that? That's crazy, right? Just really think about it. But I don't think I'm 30% though. So that's the problem. Roll Crypto, what's up? Okay, so I'm just sitting here just watching this market do its thing, guys. I'm not really touching anything at the moment, but I do have 5 contracts here, so anything is possible. I may get initially cooked, and then I may be back to life again. Who knows, right? Man, looks a little bouncy though on a larger time frame, guys. I mean, that's what I'm kind of seeing at the moment. One minute. Just gonna get some. Okay, really slow, right? A really slow price action so far here. Nothing truly very exciting at the moment. Let's take a look at the crude oil, guys. The crude oil is sitting at 81. We're kind of holding. Interesting how the crude oil is still sitting at $81, even though the hummus is all open now. Even though the hummus is all open, we're still seeing the crude oil sitting at $81. So, and the gold ended up obviously pulling back at the end of the day, which crazy, guys, down about 0.5%. Looks like the same thing with the silver. Crazy, guys, crazy. Anybody still trading silver, by the way? Well, Crypto, what's up? Andre, official LLX, what's up, brother? Trade Dara, Benjamin, what's up? The spread is horrible, that's right. Not a clown, what's up? Jay's Edge, you're still holding, let's go. So easy to go up 500 points, but hard to get. Well, yeah, I mean, we're still in a bull market, right? So it's still a bull market. Okay, still chopping in a very tight range, guys. Something's gonna break, right? Something's gonna break. I'm just kind of wondering where it's gonna be. Something's gonna break, though. All right, let's see where this market takes us, guys. Let's see if we end up pulling back here, guys. Let's see if it takes us down into where the 750s first. Try to see if we can retest the low here, guys, right now. Would love to see a little pullback here, guys, down into the 740s. Would love to see that kind of happen right now as we speak. So interesting price action. I'll be honest, interesting, very interesting, guys. And it kind of feels like a bit of a chop fest, but it's really not, you know, guys. I mean, we had a nice little 130 points pullback here right from the high, so that's not tiny. If you guys, anybody caught the move from all the way from the high at 870 into where we are now, you guys, well, that would have been a huge home run trade for you right there, right off the bat. So, right, guys. By the way, don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you guys want to support the channel. If you're new here, guys, just letting you know, we go live every day, Globex. 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and we also go live in the mornings as well, at least twice a week, right? So yeah, hit that notification bell. Make sure to smack the like, everybody, if you can. Take a few seconds of your time to do that right now. I really appreciate it, guys. Truly means the world. Thank you so much to all of you. The market's man, it's very stubborn, right? It's not really giving us that sort of a move. Maybe we already got that move, right? Maybe. Who knows if that's really all we're going to be getting here right now. I kind of like that idea of a little more pullback down, to be honest. I kind of like that idea, to be honest, right now, right? Just feels like a little bit of a bear flag kind of forming. Did not see that sort of bear flag kind of forming here this morning, which I'm kind of seeing that right now as I speak. So that's not a bad thing. So let's see, guys. If we get a nice little push down, I really love it. Would be amazing to see a little pullback down into the 740s, and keep going, keep running all the way down. Do I think we're gonna hit the all-time high before we start to get a pullback? Honestly, it's, oh man, I wish I knew. I wish I knew, but I wish I knew. Top of the hour can take us down to 693. So, oh, okay. So a lot of you guys are kind of expecting this market to give us a little pullback here down into the 700, which I kind of thought that's what it's gonna try to do as well myself. So. Guys, we also have a giveaway happening here today. We'll call out the winner at about 250 likes, and this is going to be a listed account giveaway. So, guys, hopping in, type in !Tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on the giveaway. Relatively slow price action so far, not really moving as much as I thought it's going to. We kind of expected that, right? Coming in today, I was like, you know what, the morning session from the midday to the close was really slow, so I wasn't really expecting a lot from the Globex. Okay, so the market trying to get a little bounce. Wow, this market's pretty dead. All right, so in the meantime, while we kind of wait for this market to do its thing, to figure out where it wants to go, let's take a look at the chat and see what's up. We will already be done with the pullback. Chris Main, I know, man, this market has been a little choo-choo. Andre, what's up? Matt ADCD, what's up, brother? Not a clown, what's up? Hail in. Saudi just scored. Oh, hail in. You guys watching a soccer game, really? Guys, you watching the soccer game? Let's take a look and see what the what is going on in the World Cup, guys. Crazy, guys. We're getting a lot of surprise results, right? Getting a lot of surprise results, guys. Like Belgium versus Egypt was 1-1 today. And then we also had where's Saudi Arabia? You just guys mentioned about it. Well, Saudi Arabia, Uruguay 1-0. Oh my god, 43. Where we are almost halftime right there. Pretty wild. Of course, the market is not moving. Well, I guess nobody's trading right now. Is that what it is? Everybody watching the World Cup, is that what this market's doing? So it's not moving at all. What do I expect to see this market do tomorrow morning? Now, it really boils down to, are we going to try to hit the all-time high and get a break to the downside, or are we going to try to break it down first and then retest the high? That's going to be very, very confusing. Tricky one for now. The probability, well, it's going to be hard to say. I mean, we got long ways to go, right? We we have over 12 hours to go, guys, to get to the morning tomorrow. So a lot of things can happen overnight, right? A lot of things can happen, guys, in Asia, in Middle East, and everywhere else around the world. A lot of things can happen in that 12 hours, right? So we got to go through the Asia session, and then we also have to go through the London, and then obviously into the pre-market morning. So a lot of things can change. I kind of wonder what this pullback it's all about, though. It's just maybe a little technical pullback here down from the 870 all the way down to the 755. Because we kissed 755, that was literally over 110 points pullback, right on that from that pivot at 870 area. So summertime, well, slowing down the market. Let's go. Well, I don't know if that's really gonna slow the market though. Summer, I mean, I don't know. I don't agree with that at the moment, guys. So getting a little pullback here. I wonder if this is going to be a bigger pullback. Something's kind of smelling here right now, guys. Do I try to take a step here a little more aggressively right now? All right.
Order filled.
Guys, I went with 10 contracts. Man, as when I try to go along, add to my short position here, the market's trying to get a bounce. Incredible.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay. Oh my god, are you really kidding me? Hold on one second, guys. We have a little problem. Oh my dear. I mean, this really had to happen when I'm... Jeez.
Order canceled.
Can hit myself sometimes, guys. This is why I hate myself sometimes, man. What a perfect timing to give us that little flush down. Sorry, flush to the
Order
upside.
filled.
Order filled.
What the f... Ah! Ah!
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Amazing, amazing. What a perfect timing, guys. We stayed patient all throughout the freaking night. I decided to scale into my trade, and you get a nasty bounce 3 seconds after.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
What a nasty Wix, guys, man. I don't like that at all right now. That's really annoying.
Order filled.
StockTiger is getting annoyed. Always Coca-Cola. Guys, man, even after getting re-entering on that trade, we're still down a lot. Still down about $400, man. And that pump absolutely took me down. Took me down. Crazy. What a perfect timing on that one, though. What a perfect timing, though. It was literally literally 3 seconds. Literally 3 seconds. Oh! Godzilla. All right. So what am I gonna do? I guess I'm just gonna sit back and relax and watch this give us a Niagara Falls. Lost 2 accounts on net. Oh my god, JC trades, really? Man, I'm sorry to hear that, bro. Oranga boy. Bought 5 mini contracts, sold right away. Crazy, man. That's a lot of contracts, bro. Bro, you are bad luck to my trades. Only gonna come here when I'm not trading. Oh, by the way, guys, I mean, Joe is saying, why am I bad luck, though? What did I do? What did StockTiger do? Jeez, guys, I mean, this market is just really not, I don't know. I guess the market's not ready for any sort of pullback. I guess that's just literally what, you know, it kind of boils down to. Fuck me. Look at that bounce. All right. Well, I think there's gonna be a lot of fakes. I think that's what's this. I can't even speak anymore, guys. I think that's what this market is gonna try to do. Give us a lot of fakes, up and down, up and down, up and down, down and up and up and down. Unagi pullback. We need an Unagi pullback here right now, guys. That's what we need, right? Maybe I'm on the wrong side, guys. I'm gonna I guess I'm on the wrong side. I'm just gonna flatten that trade,
Order
guys. I mean, it
filled.
just really does not feel like this market wants to give us that pullback here anyway. So eventually I think we end up pulling back. Just kind of feel like today is not my day. We'll try. We'll keep trying. Keep grinding. Oh well. Man, I still think we end up pulling back though. Man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Because I'm gonna try to short this on a
Order
bounce. I
submitted.
mean, let's see.
Order submit.
Let's see who's
Order
gonna win this
submitted.
battle,
Order
guys.
submitted.
Into the pivot 860.
Order submitted. Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Where is Tokyo? We still have about an hour for Tokyo, so it's some ways to go. Man, it's just really slow right now. Voice of an angel. Crazy. Why is this going up? That's a really good question. So I guess, well, I'm well, there better not be a short-term bottom there on that 770 area. 750, that was the pullback earlier. There better not be a short-term bottom. I need a follow through here. I need this thing get down to 700, really, guys. Will be really nice to see that pull back down to 700. Really nice. I mean, look at this. I mean, we kind of squeezed all day today. Every single day we're getting squeezed. I mean, come on, man. Come on, guys. I mean, really? This is unreal. Unreal. We had over 2,000 points balance, guys, in the market in the last 2 days alone. 2 days. It took us 2 days to get to that. I mean, that's crazy. Went. Oh, man. It's like, wow. The market's getting more and more wild. I mean, the volatility, I think it's going to get worse and worse every day going forward. I mean, with all the AI and so much of hype in the market, it's only going to get worse, unfortunately. All right, guys, let's get back here. Can we squeeze down? I would love to see a little squeeze down, but I don't know if that's what it's going to try to do here. Unfortunately, we're sitting at 810. Looks like a little bounce. I am short 5 micro contracts right now, guys. Okay, I've got 5 contracts. Just kind of holding the 5 contracts. I want to see what this market does from here. I'd like to see a nice little pull back into the 755, but man, I don't know. Just really does not feel like it wants to pull back, unfortunately. Wow, crazy guys, crazy. Okay, let's take a look, guys, on a larger time frame. We may have a little bounce into the 830, right? We got a pivot here at the 840s. So I kind of wonder if we get a little bounce or we end up pulling back here. What I would like to see right now is something like this, right? We kind of fade, get a little bounce, and then kind of fade, right? Get a little bounce, we end up pulling back, and we kind of roll over down. This is what I'd like to see this market try to do. And I think we have a good chance of this as well. I'm not saying this is high probability setup, but you know, it's more likely than not. I mean, are we gonna try to hit the all-time high? Well, that's possible, but I mean, I kind of prefer this than the other one. So, and then we probably try to retest the low here at 755. We end up flushing, getting rejection of that area. We end up pushing down, take us down into the 700. Ultimately, 700 is where I would like to see this thing get down to. But if I'm wrong, then we probably end up getting a bounce into the 850s, and then we keep pushing higher, right? So ultimately, my stop's got to be in that I would say 870, kind of far off. I'm gonna have to kind of try to scale into this trade a little longer and have a better average point. I'm kind of assuming my average would be somewhere into the 850s, and where my stop's got to be into the 880s, right? So if we end up getting a bounce, that is, right? I don't want to wait. Well, you know, sometimes that's just the way it is at the moment. Guys, I'm gonna have to grab another coffee, guys. I'm just not wow. I'll be right back. 1 minute, guys. Don't forget to type in the exclamation tiger, guys. We got a listed account giveaway happening here today, right? Don't forget to smack the like as well, guys, if you can. If you guys want to show some love, thank you so much to all of you. I'll be right back, guys. Give me 1 minute. I am back. I'm back again, everybody. We are here. Let's see what this market's gonna try to do here. Did you go to Osaka? All right. Back here again. Let's get it, guys. So, do I think this market's gonna try to do this? We have a chance of this market trying to do this as well, I'll be honest, but I mean, I think we got just a little bit more room to the downside in my opinion. Just the market just really kind of feels a little weak, right? Just feels like we're kind of running out of steam. I know it's a, you know, dead volume, I understand that, but I mean, pulling back here. 805. Come on, just give me that little pullback, please. Let's go. Come on, just dump it. I'm just I would like to add, I want to scale into this trade, but I'm like, I better not try to do that, right? I went down $500 because I was overly aggressive on that trade. Just got to be a little careful, right? And I want to get into this trade at the right moment. Hey, Lucky Mo, what's going on, brother, man? It's been a while. I haven't seen you. I'm doing all right, brother. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much for being here as well. Middle 5. Being on and off, kids keeping you away from trading. You know what? I think that's pretty that's not a bad thing, by the way. You know, in this sort of a market, it's a good idea to stay away sometimes. Let's get the Tokyo Open soon. Lucky Mon, let's go, man. Let's try to God, then this market's still trying to get a balance, guys. Still trying to get a balance. Maybe on the wrong side. I may be on the wrong side. Right, so I'm just gonna try to exit this trade here right now, guys. I mean, oh well. I'll exit that trade. You know, I'm gonna accept my loss, and I want to try to long here, guys. Well, I'm gonna try to long and see what happens. Now that I'm long, of course, guys, you guys know what's gonna happen now. We're gonna get a pullback, right? That's what it's gonna try to do. We're gonna get a beautiful pullback here, guys. Watch this market. Give us this nice little pullback. All I had to do was stay a little patient. Oh, you showed it? Oh my god. No. You showed it. I longed and you showed it. Let's go, man. I hope both can win. I'll be honest. I hope both wins, guys. I hope all of us win. Longs and shorts. We all have a chance to win anyways, right? Nothing goes straight in one line, so... Julian, you're really jinxing us. Oh my god. Sorry, man. Anyways, I'm long. I'm long right now. And we'll look for... Let's say... guys, remember I was short, okay? I was short this market just a couple minutes ago. Right? Couple minutes ago, I was short. And now I'm long. Now, if we end up flushing down... Something's gonna break. Something's gonna definitely break, guys. I'm gonna have to break something that's really cheap. I'm probably thinking a pen. Yeah, this is gonna be an important one. If we end up dumping, then I think we have a little problem. Yeah, the problem with this monitor is, right? I mean, if something... Well, if you got a broken monitor, you got to take it to the shop, right? That's the problem. Like this electronics, you got to take it to the shop. I hate doing that, so... A lot Saint. I don't know how I did it. Just kind of happened all of a sudden. Five minutes later, it happened to be broken with cracks on it. So expensive to fix the monitors. I mean, honestly, man. I mean, these days, monitors. You wanna fix your monitors? No way, man. It's cheaper. It's cheaper to just go buy from one of the shops, right? Go to Costco. It's a lot cheaper. Costco $99 for a 24-inch or 26-inch. What's up, Cocochino in the house, man? I haven't seen you in a while, bro. What the heck were ya? I hope you're doing well. Don't tell me you're struggling, bro. Are you in Vietnam? No, I'm not. We're going with the big volume area. Bias long to the profile volume analysis. How did you see short here? You live in NA, North America? Yes, I do. I'm your neighbor, by the way. I'm your neighbor. Be careful. What's wrong with this PA at the moment? It's brutal. I know, Kimel. It's brutal. Yeah, Gucci. Let's go. I'm doing all right, brother. Thanks for asking. So, yeah, I went long, guys. I was short just a few minutes ago. I decided to just hop on a long. You know, the market... Wow, it is so dead, guys. I mean, really, it is so dead. It's incredible to see this price action right now. I mean, it's getting worse, guys. Globex ASIA is getting worse and worse every single day. Tell you that much. The market makers are having a laugh at us now, up and down. Kamel, the market makers, we are the market makers. What are you talking about? We are the market makers at this time of the day. We are the movers with our simulation accounts. We are the man. Nobody moves better than us. What StockTiger? Get in and out every few seconds. Let's go. I'm gonna try to poke this market, kind of try to move. Let me just try to poke this market like really hard. Just kind of wait. Wait, guys. I'm just, after I get out of this trade, I'm gonna make this market move, guys. Watch. Get in and out. I think this market's gonna try to move, but maybe this account's gonna go before I can even try to do that. Oh my god, really? Is this account actually gonna go? Have you guys noticed a lot of our funded accounts? Man, I'm telling you right now, a lot of our funded accounts when you're trading, have you guys noticed every time you try to take a stab on a trade, especially at night, right? A little late night into early morning, when you get into a trade, guys, just watch it carefully. The market starts to move. What does that mean, guys? What does that mean? Something's out there. Something's copying our trades. Wow. Be careful, guys. Glitch in the matrix. Well, I don't know about that. Or maybe we're looking at this chart for so long, then maybe we are getting a little bit into a, what do you call this? It's not a hibernation. What is it called again? Hallucination. Maybe it's a hallucination, guys. More than anything else. Guys, man, what the hell, man? I'm telling you, I'm gonna get really mad if we end up getting a pullback here. I'm telling you. Oh, we got Tokyo having a, what do you call this? The rate decision today. Oh, I didn't see that coming, guys. I completely forgot about that. Oh yeah, we do have that, right? So, man. Well, no, we don't. Well, I don't have that on the financial dues. So I don't know what does that mean. Well, man, I'm telling you, if we end up getting a pullback and try to hit that 7555, that's the initial low, I'm gonna get so mad at this market, guys. I'm absolutely gonna get pissed. Oh, are we not moving yet? Man, this price action is just making me feel not so good. Bank of Japan rate decision on the 16th. Yeah, it's on the 16th, it's tomorrow, right? Oh, it's 11 o'clock tonight. Well, I don't have that on the financial juice though. It doesn't say anywhere that it's oh guys, we are getting a nice little balance in the market, guys. The market love it. I think the market hurt me. The market kind of felt a little sorry for StockTiger being down a lot today. So it's like, you know what? Let's let's try to save StockTiger here today, right? Let's not try to embarrass StockTiger in front of all the fellow traders, right? Thank you so much, market. Thank you, really. Thank you so mucho, gracias, amigo. Amigos, market. StockTiger, what is your favorite indicators in TradeAway? What is your favorite indicator, Matt Futures? On the TradeAway, RSI. RSI is my my favorite indicator on the TradeAway, really. You know, I mean, personally, I don't really like to have too many indicators to begin with. I kind of like it straightforward, simple, just a price action. Just kind of feel like I was born to just trade the price action, if you will. But I do need RSI though. Like if there's a couple things that I really need to kind of really give me a better confidence in my trade. It's one of them is RSI, right? And of course, I have to draw the minor and the major levels, the key levels of support and resistance, right? And the trend line. These are three, in my opinion, three things that I really need, right? Just key levels. I need the key levels. I need to know where the key levels are, right? We obviously like to call it demand zones and supply zones. I need those, and I need the trend lines, and I definitely do need RSI, and of course you also need a VWAP. But I mean, at the end of the day, well, I can live without VWAP, to be honest. So I don't know. I mean, everybody's really different, right? So I've you know, I came across so many traders, and they all do it so differently. Where it's like we all have different indicators that we like to use, but at the end of the day, we're looking at the same chart, right? We're looking at the same chart. We're looking at the same levels. Our RSA, few simple SMA 50 support and resistance. All you need. The only thing I see profit is if there's wicks. Oh. Yeah, and we all looking at the same money. Exactly. Yeah, sorry, gave me. Yeah, absolutely, I agree. Okay, guys, to get a little bounce, I kind of like what I see at the moment. So, wow, what a nice little pump, guys. Wow, that's moving. That's moving right now. That's moving, guys. It's moving. I'm going to try to hold it, guys. I'm going to try to hold it into... I would like to see this thing get back into the pivot, which would be right into the 845. 845. Right, so I'm looking at 845 as the level. Okay, so we may end up getting a pullback, which is fine. But it was worth a try. Or maybe I should have just taken my profits and ran away. Benjamin, why do you think you're bad? Nobody's bad. Everybody's great, brother. Everybody's great. You know? We all trying to get better every day. So none of us are perfect. So we're all the same. You and I the same, right? Every day we're trying to get better. Every day we're trying to get payouts. No, you're not absolute worst, brother. Benjamin, don't say that, bro. Don't say that. That's not the right approach. Okay, so what are we expecting here? I know I could take my profit and just kind of walk away, but I like to see a little bounce, guys. Maybe it's kind of worth it that way. How was the listed live? I think the listed live is fine. I had a lot of fun trading listed live. It's a little unfortunate. If I knew better on how this thing was actually working out, maybe I could have done a better job. So there was a lot of glitch along the way, which I don't want to talk about it right now in this on the stream. So maybe later, we'll when I get a chance, we'll have a little conversation on how the entire process kind of went and what could have been better. But bottom line of the story is I had a lot of fun with listed live, and we've taken a lot of payouts with listed live too. So I'm grateful. Like that listed live alone, I've taken how much again? I can't remember. I took a bonus payout as well. If I don't know if you guys remember, but I took a bonus payout, and then I took another. I took 3 payouts and then the bonus payout, right? So, I think I've taken about $9,000 on that listed live account before blowing it. Before letting it go. Let it go, let it go. Right, so yeah. So we had to let it go. And it was partly because I didn't know what the drawdown was. And that was another problem, right? So, because I did a payout prior to trading that. So they took the money out of my account. And then I did not know what the drawdown is. Because on Rhythmic, it said my drawdown is $4,500, so I thought I had $4,500. So I went a little aggressive, but then, but I think it triggered my drawdown, which I don't think it actually did. But anyways, long story short, it's not here anymore. It's gone. It's gone, guys. And guess what? I will be back to my sim-funded accounts again, guys, and listed accounts. Let's go! StockTiger is going to be back, guys, in about 7 more days, guys. 1 more week to go for StockTiger to be back after the cooldown period, which obviously I did not really need a cooldown period. Come on, guys. This is StockTiger. I don't need a cooldown period. What are you talking about? Cool down period. Wow. Anyways, that was a joke, by the way. Well, not a great joke, but yeah. So I had to obviously cool down, right? Because I was kind of forced to. But next week in 7 days, guys, we'll be back trading the listed simulation accounts. I can't wait. I just cannot wait to be trading listed accounts again, guys. I'm hoping that I can get back to the flex account, which would be amazing. Let us go, guys. So in the meantime, guys, while we are speaking about the listed live, I would really love to see this market try to get a little bounce, guys, into the 845 at least, and try to see if we can get back into the pivot. I would hate myself if this ends up pulling back here all the way down, which is gonna be which is not gonna be okay. I would love to see that little push Try to get this back into the 840s and give us that little squeezy move to the upside. Let us go. Let it go. Let it go. You've got to be kidding, man. Oh my god. Alright guys, don't forget to smack the like, everybody, if you can. If you guys want to support the channel, we'll call out the winner at about 250 likes here. We are going to do the Lucid Flex account giveaway here. Alright, so if we can't get there, we'll do it tomorrow. Not the end of the world. And thank you to all of you for being here tonight, guys. It's obviously my honor to be able to stream live in front of my fellow traders every single night. Every single night. And if you're new here, guys, we also go live every night in the at about 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. That's when we go live every night. We also go live in the mornings too, at least twice a week, 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. You want to get notified, just make sure to hit that notification bell. Notification bell, as always, to always get notified, guys. Thank you so much once again for your support to the channel. What are we looking for? I'm really looking for that little bounce in the market, guys. And if we end up pulling back here, man, it's gonna be very disappointing, I'll be honest. It is going to get very disappointing. This may be a little bit of a fake push down and then get a bounce, but maybe I should have taken the profit a little bit sooner. I don't know. I just kind of hold it. I mean, I just gotta notice that I'm no longer well, I've been pretty bad doing micro scalping here, by the way, lately. My reaction is a little slow. I'm getting a little old, I guess. Man, I'm telling you, my reaction has been so bad lately, right? And then I kind of realized, oh no, I missed that trade. A couple minutes later, guys. I mean, it's really annoying. It's either the market's being very volatile, or it's just I'm just getting old. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I'm turning 19 in about a few weeks, so just getting old is no fun. I don't know. I could have done a better job, right? Getting in at the right time, getting out, taking profits before it fakes you out. I don't know. Well, do I want to add? Well, I don't want to be doing that right now. It's too much exposure. Gaming went frisky. Yes, I'm 19. Turning, yeah, I'm 19 right now. Couple weeks will be turning 20. So it's not you, it's the market. Golden arrow. All right. Okay. Well, that makes me feel a little better, but I think it's me too. I'm partly responsible. I'm partly responsible. Wasn't it 17? I don't think so. I thought it was 19. Bro, you're young. What do you mean? Prime time, sir. Not old at all. Well, 44 Punisher, the winner of our beautiful giveaway last night, I think. Was it 44 Punisher? No, it was not 44 Punisher. I don't think so. Was it? I think it was. Don't know what is going on, man. Seen you in a while. Oh my god. You've got to be kidding. Sorry, Give Me says, you are 19 with that face. I'm done with this, man. I'm done with this crap. I'm done. I'm gonna have to do something about this. This is a real problem right now. I'm gonna have to make an appointment here for cosmetic surgery. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. Well, I have no choice now. I can't be here sitting here listening to that. That's a little problem. That is not acceptable. All right, I'm looking for that little bounce. What is up, guys? Long time no see. What is up, guys? Yo, yo, yo. Me, the StockTiger, yo, what's up? Now you look like 50. What the hell, man? What the hell? Guys, stop being so mean like that. Guys, let's go ahead and do our giveaway. Right? Let's go ahead and do our giveaway, guys. 1 second. Guys, what the hell, man? We got over 400 tickets here, and we've only got so much. Well, not so much. We only got 240 likes. Like, what the hell, guys? What? Can we show some love, everybody? Show some love. Let's go, bro. It's not 19. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean I'm not 19? I told you I'm 19. Nobody knows better than me my age. I'm 19. Okay. Now leave me alone. $19, let's go. StockTiger is 19. StockTiger is 19. Woo! 19. Holy, I'm sweating like crap. Ah, feeling hot. Feeling hot in here. I'm feeling hot in here. Take off all your clothes. All right, guys. Where were you born? I was born in Jamaica. I got raised in Cuba and migrated to somewhere in North. All right, so and we're here, guys. We're trading now. You know, we got no problems. All right, by the way, guys, what the hell, guys? 1 second. I've got to take a look at this market, guys. I completely forgot about this. This is crazy, guys. I was supposed to get this. I was supposed to get out of this trade, by the way. Man, I'm telling you, man, if we end up getting a pullback here and retest the low, I'm gonna get very upset. Better not do that. Fuck, man, I'm gonna get really mad. Oh my god, we got Tokyo coming in as well in 20 minutes. Tokyo! Alright. What is that going to be? Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm gonna have to do something about this. Wow, my head is hurting, guys. Too much heat up here right now. Well, I didn't wash my hair for, I don't know, for about a few weeks now, which is too much problemo, I think. Okay, so what am I expecting this market to do? I'm still really thinking that we get a balance, guys. I'm thinking this could be a little bit of a short-term bottom here right now, right? So and I'm looking for maybe a bounce attempt here. What is this? Oh my god! What am I doing? StockTiger, please stop. Hey, this looks like a plane. Oh my god. Got a lot of problem here today. Everything is just broken. Everything is broken. So we got this level, we just couldn't break out of that. Maybe we try to do that right now, guys. Maybe we try. Maybe we try right here, guys. We try. Let's try to see if we can push. I would love to see this thing get, give us that little push. A bone, a candle that's gonna look like that, guys. 1 second. Who knows? We may get something like that right now, guys. Oh man, I'll love it. I'll love it, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually get 1,000 points bounce in this market right now, guys. Can we not try to do that? I think so. I think we could. I think so. So way up. Alpha futures, how fast did it pay? Soup 3293. I'm also in the process of trading alpha futures. I have about 4 alpha futures. The premium account still in process of trying to pass those accounts. So just give me a few days. I'll try my level best to try to pass. And I will also try to get a payout with alpha futures and see if I'll let you know what how quickly they pay. But I heard actually they pay pretty fast. We got a lot of traders on our Discord, by the way, who's got a lot of payouts with alpha. So if you want to hang out with one of the finest traders in a profit space, then you guys are most welcome to join our Discord. And I will share the Discord link here right now, guys. For all the fam, everybody here. Right, so here is our Discord link, everybody. You guys are most welcome to hop on. Guys, let's see if we... Yes, I am... I have traded legends before. Yes, I don't have the account anymore, but I'll be loading some accounts tomorrow. They've got some they've got some offers coming out tomorrow morning, so I'll give you guys a shout out on that. Anybody? Yeah, are you trading legends? Wait, JC trades? I haven't. Yeah, I had a couple accounts with them before, but I haven't really paid too much attention. I mean, just too many firms, guys. I mean, it's a little problem for me. It's a little problem. Like, I've got too many firms that I'm trading right now, guys. I've got to. Well, I'm not saying I want to scale it down, but I mean, I've got to. Like, I don't know. It's too much of time consuming, a lot of confusions, right? When you have too many firms you're trading with a lot of different platforms. I'm also trading with Funded Futures Network too. You guys really think about it, guys. And I forgot to trade those accounts for the last, I don't know, 6-7 days. I don't know what it is. And even with VDS as well. Yeah, so it's not easy to trade with a lot of firms, but I still try. But I would say my tier one, like my top 5 right now, like it's Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradify, and Billanox. These are my top 5. And we also have Alpha Futures top 6, Alpha Futures top 6. So that's my top 6 firms that I'm trading right now. And we got a whole bunch of backburners, right? Like Funded Next. We got FADS as well. We got the Legends. We also have who else? We got E8. I had a few accounts with E8. I blew them, and I did not really pay too much attention to try to reload those accounts. But I think E8 is actually pretty good. Their pricing is not, it's kind of off right now. But when they have a hot deal, I'll let you guys know. There were times when they would have a 50K account for like $80. So when you have promotions for 50K accounts anywhere in that $80 range, I think that's a pretty hot deal, right? So that's not a bad idea. No problem, JC Trades, man. But I think it's always kind of very important to stabilize your main focus should be on your key firms, like the main bread and butter, right? And for me, it's Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradify, Apex, and Billanox and Alpha. And then of course we have even Funded Next is actually pretty good too. Which accounts do you recommend for the Funded Futures Network? Big Belly, I mean, I would just honestly just go with the 50K accounts. I wouldn't even bother with anything else. But you know what? The 150Ks are also not a bad idea. If you're looking for the bigger drawdowns, and because of the volatility that we're getting in this market right now, the 150s with Funded Futures Network may be a good idea because you're only paying, I think you're paying about $190 for 2 accounts on 150s, right? So don't forget, guys, Funded Futures Network. If you go ahead and do Funded Futures Network accounts, if you go with the 150s, you're only paying about $190, and you get 2 accounts. So you're essentially paying $90 for the 150K account. And that's crazy. I don't think. I go with the standard max. I don't go with anything else. Hold on one second. Funded Futures Network. Oh, Ichimuchi. Guys, by the way, guys, man, thank you so much to all of you, man. All of you, thank you so much to all of you for always being here every day with us, guys. I really appreciate it so much. You guys know how much I love you guys, man. And with that in mind, guys, I think we got to do more than one giveaway. This is just not fair, right? This is not right. I think we got to do a lot more, okay, today. Why don't we try to make this today a very special night with my special hair, right? And we had obviously a special comment from somebody else telling me, with that face, right? You're 19 with that face. That definitely did broke my heart, but it's okay, guys. I still love you guys, man. You know what I mean? It's itchy. It's itchy. You see? All right, so guys, man, just 1 second, okay? Just stay tuned. Hang on tight. I'll be right back with you in about a minute, guys. No, guys, I'm only 17. What are you talking about? What is Futures Funded Family? Oh, you mean Funded Futures Family? Yeah, so Funded Futures Family. Oh, Funded Futures Family? What is Futures Funded Family you talking about? Sorry, the Funded Futures Network, it's $182 on a 150K account, and you're getting 2 accounts of 150s with a much bigger drawdown. I think it's about $5,000 or $6,000 of drawdown, so... I've got to trade this Onyx one. I haven't traded this Funded Futures Network accounts. Damn, guys. I almost got that account for inactivity. Thank you guys for reminding me. But in the meantime, I look like a drum. Oh, I look like a D money. Is that what you say? I'm nowhere near, but all right. I mean, and that's the name of the prop firm. Oh yeah, Funded Futures. Yeah. For FFF, you guys can also use my code. I had their code long time ago. FFF code Tiger. All right. So we have the code Tiger for Funded Futures Network. Sorry, no, Funded Futures. No. Futures Funded Family. Holy cow, guys. It's just everybody's so similar. Anyways, just coming back here. Guys, don't forget Apex is still 90% off right now. Ongoing. It hasn't ended. In the meantime, guys, we are going to call out the winner here for the giveaway. Oh. Sorry guys, man, got a lot of stuff going on right now at the same time. I'm getting really confused. I didn't realize I was actually in a trade even. You tried my code, it didn't work. What the fuck is going on here? I'll take a look at it right now, guys. 1 second. It should work. Or maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I was thinking about somebody else. Anyways, what am I looking at? Okay, guys, we're gonna have to close the entries here. Let's go ahead and do this. Too many stuff going on right now, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and pick the winner. Putting a timer here, right? Don't forget. Oh, by the way, you got Tokyo coming in about 2 minutes. Crazy. Guys, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna pick the winner. Let's go, guys. J Dubs 76. So 45 seconds, guys. J Dub, you're gonna have to let me know that you're here with us, guys. Say it looks bullish overall in this market, guys. I think that's what it is. So I am long right now. I'm still holding this long trade. Oh my god. Do we have a winner here, guys, in the house? Let's go, my dear. We already have a winner here, everybody. Guys, this Discord link I've already shared. I'll share it again right now, guys. Discord link. All right. I'm looking for a big, massive Born candle there, guys. 1,000 points bounce in front of Tokyo. I think Tokyo has got what it takes to get a bounce. Give us 1,000 points bounce, guys. That'll be really nice. All right, so oh my god, I canceled the giveaway. Damn. I was gonna use the same one. Oh my dear, I made a little mistake. Anyways, I was gonna do another one. We'll go ahead and do another one, guys. Guys, man, I'm gonna have to have you guys go type in again. Unfortunately, I'm sorry, man. Guys, type in again. Type it again. Exclamation tiger. Oh, hold on. I made a mistake. Another one. I'm gonna have to cancel. 1 second, guys. Making a lot of mistakes lately. All right, go ahead and do that right now, guys. Go ahead and type it again right now, guys. You gotta type it again right now, guys. You gotta type it again. Okay, guys, go ahead and do that right now. Guys, go ahead and do that. Thank you, everybody, once again for being here tonight. So, guys, Tokyo's already open. Gave us a little bit of a bounce, but we're getting right into the pivot, so I want to be a little careful. Ah, no! I was gonna take my profit there, guys. Damn. This market really did not give me a chance to get my profit, eh? God. I'm so annoyed. Well, maybe we're gonna get another chance here.
Order submitted. Order
all right, guys, there. Oh, thank God. Holy mochaccino.
Order submitted.
That actually got pretty close right there.
Order submitted.
I'm gonna try to get in.
Order submitted.
Okay.
Order
so there we go, guys.
filled.
I went back to the micro so I can actually try to see if I can get a better entry point. Scaling in, just in case we end up pulling back here down to the 800 again. Guys, don't forget we are doing our second giveaway in front of our celebration from all the love we get every single night. So we're gonna go ahead and do our second giveaway right now. Let's guys, go ahead and type in exclamation tiger. And if you're new here, guys, by the way, please go ahead and smack the like if you can, if you guys want to support the channel. Thank you once again, and do not forget to hit the notification bell, because I go live every night, but I also go live in the mornings too sometimes, at least twice a week. So we'd love to see you guys there in the morning. Man, I still can't believe this guy. This friend of mine
Order filled.
telling me what to do with the stocks, guys, man. Remember I told you guys a few days ago, this guy went all in and caught this huge move with TQQQ and SOXL. And he banked a lot on that trade. And now he's telling me how to trade. Incredible mochaccino. Unreal. Unreal. Guys, we're gonna call out the winner here momentarily. So just make sure to go ahead and type in !Tiger right now, guys. I'm gonna give you guys maybe about a minute. All right, about a minute, guys. Man, look at that dump. What a is that a coincidence that we get a rejection of the pivot there, guys? 849, incredible, incredible frappuccino.
Order filled.
Oh
Order
my.
filled.
Well, at least the great thing is we didn't break anything tonight, so sigh of relief. All right, so we're at 805. So I kind of wonder if we are finally gonna try to break it down, man. This market really does not want to pull back at all, right? I mean, that's crazy. A lot of wicks up and down right now, so okay, so 8:15 here right now. And we could potentially see a balance too. I wouldn't be surprised. So we got FOMC. This is going to be FOMC week. So we've got that, and then yeah, we'll see. Well, I'm kind of disappointed. I kind of missed out on all my swing trading. I should have scooped those shares last week. I told you guys I was gonna scoop a lot of shares, but again, the timing, man, and I wasn't even waiting for a deeper pullback in the market. By the way, I was just kind of getting ready, right? I think it was on Friday during the midday. I was getting ready, and all of a sudden the market found a way to get a bounce, even right about an hour before I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna, scoop those shares. Crazy. The timing is just so perfect. And we are getting a bounce. Like, what the hell is going on right now, guys? Incredible.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm going to take one more off the table, down to 2 contracts. Sorry, guys, down to 3 right now. All right, guys, we got final giveaway happening here. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are part of this. !Tiger if you guys want to participate on this giveaway. So let's go ahead and do that, guys. What a nice little pump to the upside right now. Crazy bounce, crazy bounce. This is just incredible, right? The market still showing a lot of strength overall. And man, I mean, even after 2.5% bounce in this morning, we're still not like We're still not pulling back at all. It just really shows you how incredible this market is right now. Nothing can stop this market at the moment, guys. Nothing. 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 Will always. All right. Stop it there. Okay. All right, fellow traders, we're gonna go ahead and close the entries now. Good luck, everybody. The timer is on for 45 seconds. All right. So you're gonna have to let me know that you are here with us. 45 seconds to let me know. Good luck, everybody, if you guys are a part of this. Once again, thank you to all of you for being here every single night. And thank you for letting me know how handsome StockTiger is as well. J21, what's up? All right, guys, good luck, everybody. Calling out the winner now. YM Futures, 45 seconds, guys. 45 seconds, YM Futures. Let me know that you are here with us. All right, guys, I'm long. I've got this final last 3-piece here right now. Oh my dear. All right, Mr. YM Futures is here, guys. YM Futures is here. Guys, what this market's gonna try to do right now, man. This is crazy. So we got two winners here today. We got J Dubs and YM Futures. I'm gonna have to have you obviously send me a friend request on our Discord and DM me right after so I can go ahead and take care of accounts. Okay, so that's one. I'm gonna share my Discord link here once again, guys. Congrats to all the winners. That's awesome. Great to see you guys win that. Lino, what's up, brother? We know. J Dubs, let's go. Donna, 12 vac. 12 vac, the winner of last night's 12 vac. Congrats, brother. I hope that account's live and well. Johnny Bison, what's up, brother? Brona. Pro Trader in the house, what's up? Lucky FX. JC Traits, Golden Arrow. All right, so what am I looking at right now? It doesn't look well. We had this little wick. We had a chance to give us that little pullback here into the 790s, and then push it down. But we found a bid. You know, the market's getting a bounce, guys. So I'm gonna have to kind of lean towards the market getting a bounce and see how this thing kind of plays out, and look for that target. Maybe we'll try to retest the high. Maybe retest the previous high. That would be at 30,000. Well, 30,900 area. Maybe that's where we may try to tap into. So I'm gonna be looking at that 900 area to be my ultimate target. I'm gonna leave this 3 contracts here, and then well, I don't even know if I want to have a hot stop with 3 micro contracts really at this point. And I completely forgot to trade my Fund the Futures Network accounts too. So thank God. I don't know, man. Crazy. I don't know what their inactivity rules is, so hard to say. But I will definitely trade those accounts tomorrow morning. All right. Go down. Oh my God. Do we have a lot of shorters right now? Looking for this market to actually give us that little pullback here. Profit factor, where's going, man? PA is crazy. I know it is, bro. I know, man. How was your trades this morning, Profit factor? Did you do well this morning? Brave day. How was your day too this morning? Ooh, I could request $2,400 on the Apex account. Oh, guys, I didn't know that. It looks like maybe this is my 3rd payout. That's why it's kind of pushing into $2,500. Ooh, yes, let's go. I was just taking a look at it right now, guys. Man, this is crazy. $2,500. Let's go. Chris Main, what's up, brother, man? Thank you for being here today. There's definitely lots of fun here tonight. So, man, I can't believe this. I think this is my 3rd payout. That's why it's kind of allowing me to request 25. I think so. Let me just take a look. Yeah, this is my 3rd payout. Yeah, 3rd payout. That's good. So that I requested $2,400, man. Awesome. Let's take a look and see if I've got something else I can request too. I'm busy looking for accounts I can request a payout. That's crazy. And on top of that, its market gets a bounce. That would be lovely. You send me a DM, I'll take a look, brother. So this market obviously still kind of chopping in this little pivot. Okay. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of accounts that I've got some consistency problem. So I'm gonna have to stay a little, well, not patient, but I mean, I've got to wait to trade for more days. I think that's what it is. Tiger, have you seen the new payout caps on the top step 150s? If you choose DLL, you can request up to 12,000. Yeah, I mean, I just don't like their DLL accounts, to be honest, guys. I really don't. I just don't like that idea. 150k. Sorry, the DLL. You know, I think a bigger problem than the a bigger payout story is the DLL. You know, it's tough. Blackout News Network, bro, man. Don't get so mad. It's okay, bro. Ichimuchi. I'm gonna be requesting another one. Let's go. This is gonna be funded next. Funded next payout, guys. Funded next. Funded next, guys. Funded next. $1,500. Let's go. This is funded next payout. $1,500. I just did the Apex one a few minutes ago. Man, I hate going through their authentication. I hate it sometimes. There we go. I've done that. Okay, dokie. So just gonna have to start trading for more days. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, the thing that I'm kind of disappointed. Sorry, I had to leave for a second. Golden Arrow. Hey, no problem, bro. Thanks for being here, brother. JJ Song. Tiger, how long did it take for your first payout ever? It took me, I think, about five weeks. Sorry, 5 weeks? 5 weeks or 5 months? I cannot remember, guys. It's been such a long time. I'm not sure. 5 weeks or 5 months. It's definitely not 5 weeks. I think I'm not... I think it's 5 months. I think it's 5 months. Yeah. It's definitely longer than that. Yeah, 5 months, I would say. No, you didn't win Golden Arrow. Don't worry. $5 years now. I wish 5 years. 5 years. Yeah, no, it took me about 5 months to get to the first payout. I think that's a relatively long time for a trader who's been trading for, you know, for over 12 years, right? But I was fairly new to the PROPFIRM trading, so it took me 5 months to kind of understand better on how the drawdown actually works. And I was trading the trading drawdown accounts, so the trading drawdown accounts was obviously a little tricky. So it took me a bit of time to try to understand how to trade those accounts better, right? Because that's really what it was. 1 second, guys. Were you getting a pullback here? Is that what it is? How many accounts to get to the first payout? How many accounts? What do you mean? I know I spent a lot of money at the beginning to get to the payout. I think I spent maybe about I think I spent about 12,000 before I got to my first payout. Yeah, I think I spent about 12,000 before I got to but after I got my first payout, man, everything was just so fast, right? What was that again? My first payout was with Apex, but 5 months into 5 months took my first payout, and then every month back to back I was taking the second payout was about $4,000, and then the third payout was 8 grand, and then the fourth payout was literally over 15,000 every single month from there for about 5 straight months in a row. So like I said, yeah, that's what I was saying. So since the first payout that I've taken with Apex on the 5th month, every month we took payouts, right? Every month. That was a breakthrough, right? Yeah, for the next 6 months, I'll just keep taking payouts, of course. And it was kind of easier, I'll be honest, guys. It was a lot easier to do that because, you know, I don't know if you guys remember, but Apex never really had a safety threshold before. So what ended up happening was, you know, we kept trading those accounts, and we were looking for. Well, as soon as I got to $2,000, I ended up requesting the whole entire thing. You know what I mean? So I only had like $100 to kind of work with, and then obviously, you know, you end up blowing that account. That's exactly what happened. So I kept doing the same thing, and then when they changed the rules to safety threshold, so you had to get above like $4,000 to request the $2,000. It was really tough, really tough. But you know what? We as a trader, we all adapt. You know, we learn to adapt, and we learn to quickly, you know, get better, right? And adjust our trading strategy based on the changes on the rules that the PROPFIRMs make, right? So, were you trading on YouTube with others in the beginning? I only started a year and a half, guys. Year and a half. I've been streaming for about a year and a half now. Yeah, a year and a half ago when I was streaming, I didn't even know what I was saying. I was like, oh, up to the market going up to $900. I think we could get a pullback. That's what I was. That was me like a year and a half ago, guys. I still don't know what I'm talking about, but kind of getting better. Did you start as a self-taught person? 12-vac? Yes, I did. And that's partly the reason why it took me a lot longer, right? You know, we didn't really have a lot of people like on YouTube, right, with a lot of contents available for you to kind of learn. I think like that was in 2012 or 2013 area. Actually, yeah, 2012 area. I don't think there was there weren't that many YouTubers with a lot of contents, right? So it was tough for me to kind of get engaged. So it was hard. So it took me a lot of time. It took me like, I think, I don't know. I was on my own for like 5-6 years. And then I had a friend of mine who knew how to trade gold and silver and all that. And then he taught me how to trade better. And that's how I kind of got better at better. He was a swing trader himself. So he kind of taught me how to swing trade. And but that was only after 5 years of getting absolutely my poo-poo handed to the market. For about 5 years, guys. I was literally just all over the place. I don't know if you guys remember trading. I know I've talked about this a while ago, but does anybody here trade UGAS and DGAS and all that before? I was trading UGAS, and every time we have a contract rollover, I would have. I was kind of thinking we have a nice, beautiful gap to the upside, but that was because it was just a contract rollover, right? It wasn't an actual gap up. It was just a contract rollover, and I was all excited. We have a 10% move to the upside on the gas. Crazy. That was me many years ago. So yeah, the UGAS, I don't think the UGAS and DGAS is still here anymore. It's no longer oh my god, what do you mean SpaceX? Well, SpaceX was at $200 the last time I checked. If you tell me this is gonna be $300, I'm gonna get really mad right now. So, oh, it's the $199. Okay, yeah, it was at $200. It's gone now, right? So yeah, I was at $200. I was yeah, it's crazy because I was trading yeah, I was trading a lot. I was trading like crazy, UGAS and DGAS, right? Leverage times X3 and you know, natural gas at the time was moving pretty hot. So, and I lost a lot of money, unfortunately. Crazy. I wasn't even thinking about trading Apple or Google at the time, which obviously was a big, huge mistake. All I really had to do was just invest that money that I lost in UGAS. It was like $30,000. I would have put that money into work, put it onto Apple or maybe into Google at the time. That 30,000 would have been like, I don't know, maybe $500,000 right now by now. What do you guys think? Crazy sometimes. There was a lot of hype over SpaceX, yeah. So you're looking for a pullback into 100 on SpaceX. Honestly, I'm not sure if we are going to I wouldn't say ever pull back into $100, but I mean, we could see some sort of a pullback. But again, at the end of the day, guys, all these stocks that we've been waiting for, I mean, really, it's mind-boggling me that I keep missing out on this scooping of equities, the shares that I wanted to load in, and I keep getting missed out. And this is no different. A few days ago, I think it was on Friday, I was really getting ready to really put my cash to work, right? And I was about to do it, and next thing you know, we have a deal in Iran or whatever it may be that really pumps this market so hard that it not even give me a chance to kind of get in. So crazy. SpaceX valuation is crazy at this price. Well, it is, but I mean, doesn't really matter at the moment. You know what I mean? It's all based off hype, excitement, and the potential of, you know, the potential growth story of the SpaceX. I think that's what they're looking at. The true valuation is obviously we're gonna have to see some couple earnings come out in the next couple quarters. So maybe by the end of the year, we're gonna find out what this is all about. Just like the way the Palantir actually started off, right? The Palantir pumped, the initial pump obviously ended up fading down after getting some really rocky, rough earnings. And everybody said that's a fake one. That's a fake little Palantir. That's gonna fail. And then the Palantir ended up tanking pretty hard. I think it was down into like 30s or 40s or something like that. And then guess where it is now today? It actually went up all the way to $200, and now it's only down to 140. But it went all the way to $200. So a 10x is 20 million, really? What? Are you telling me my 30,000 would have been 2 million, 20 million? Is that what it is? That's 200,000. No, you know what? I think I'm wrong, because you have to think about that was like 20 years ago, right? So if I ended up loading in 30,000 on Apple, which may have been only about $10, right? And right now it's sitting at about $200. So man, that's actually a lot. Yeah, that would have probably potentially been a couple $1,000,000, I think. Guys, but we get a nice little rip to the upside here. I love it. I love what I see at the moment, guys. Let's go. I'm going to take one more off the table here right
Order
now.
filled.
Crazy,
Order
guys. The
submitted.
market is just non-stop, just constantly pushing higher, man. I'm okay to see this bounce because I'm long right now, but I mean, it's just really crazy. Crazy. Really, really crazy market, guys. That's really all I can say. I mean, we're not even getting any sort of a meaningful pullback in the market, guys. I mean, this is just really incredible. All the way down to 755, and that's really all we had. Crazy. I remember that 2008, instead of buying the iPhone, I bought Apple shares. Wow, really? 12 VAC? Instead of buying an iPhone, you bought an Apple share? You are freaking awesome, man. That's the way to go. That's the way to do this. That's a true winner. I hope you're a billionaire now. Woo! Apex approved. They approved, but I'm also waiting for some more payouts though. Where did the screenshot go? All right, so kind of what? We ended up pulling back here. What are you talking about?
Order canceled.
Yeah, I use intraday. I haven't changed the way I trade with Apex. I still use the intraday accounts. I don't do anything else. So yeah, so today could be okay. I took I requested $1,500 with Funded Next, and $2,500 with Apex as well. So, guys, anybody know the customer service email address with Apex? They're obviously they've changed, but anyways, Can you wait 20 minutes for giveaways? I mean, I could, but I mean, I don't know if it's really necessary though. That's a long time to kind of wait, I think. Oh, Johan, you're Korean. I didn't know that you're Korean, brother. Crazy. Is Johan here? All right, and what's the time right now? Oh shoot, it's getting late. Okay, guys. I've got to go. Well, the mic is pulling back here right now. I gotta go, but we'll see you guys back tomorrow, guys. To all of you, thank you so much for being here tonight. It was a lot of fun. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, guys. Same time tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much for being here tonight, guys. Have a great rest of the night. Good luck tomorrow morning. Take care. God bless everybody. Thank you. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.